Hi, I'm Eric Clymer, Staff Product Manager for Platform here at Timescale. Welcome back to our series on replicas. In this video, we're going to dive into implementing a HA Replica within Timescale Cloud. To start, let's actually go over setting up your primary node first. So to get started, click on the new service button in the left navigation pane. As you can see here, we have options for time series as well as AI and vector. Once you determine or at least estimate your data set size, we will recommend which CPU memory allocation to start with. This is all very configurable though, should you know your application might have different requirements. From there, you can actually add an HA replica during the initial creation process. So as I've highlighted here, if you have a production application, we highly recommend adding an HA replica as you're deploying your instance. And then from there, you can see this bottom DB45966 is processing. That's actually the primary we set up. The HA replica you can see is processing there as well. Now let's talk about adding one to an existing service. As you can see here, 31091 doesn't have an HA replica. Let's say you wanted to add an HA to this service. Click on the service, then go to the Operations tab to show all of the options available for service configuration. From the Operations tab, choose High Availability in the left nav. From here, you can choose which level of availability you need for your replica configuration. Choosing Highest means a multi-node configuration, giving you your primary and 2 additional HA replicas. From there, should your specific use case require synchronous replication, choosing high data integrity will create both an additional synchronous and asynchronous replica. Once you confirm that you want to change your configuration, you'll see that this configuration is in progress. So you'll actually get a notification once it's ready. Our console will show the new replica in progress, and in a few short moments, they'll be available. In the prior step, you can also choose 2 asynchronous replicas. In the next tutorial, we'll go over advanced replica configurations like multi-node and async versus sync replicas and which use cases make sense for each. That's it for today. Thanks for watching.